Just wanna.
Hi beauties, welcome back. And if you are new here, thank you for stopping by and I hope you stay the whole entire time. But today we are talking about styling the basics in your closet. That is so magical when you know how to take the basics and style them. So let's talk about it. So the first real important step to achieving this is making sure you have the basics. And when I say basics, that's usually white or cream, like a cami type color, a camel type color. Then you have navy, and then you have black. And then I consider green to be a neutral that can be styled with everything. Browns. So those type colors are what you're thinking about when you're thinking about styling basics or anything that's solid. It can be pink, it can be red. If it's solid, it can be styled multiple different ways. So don't overthink it. I got you. First thing, I want you to go to your closet and find two pieces, a bottom and a top that's super basic, and we're gonna walk through how you can elevate it. Okay, so for my basics, I picked my green cargo pants and my black cami top, like bodysuit top. Those are two basic items in the basic color range, and we're about to style it. When styling, you want to know what your personality is, because pretty much these two basic things that I have put together can either be styled up or styled down. Today, I'm just going to be styling it comfortably, comfy, cozy, and everything like that. Like, that's my vibe today. It's cold outside. I don't want to dress up. I don't want to throw on no heels. I want to be comfy, but I still want to be cute. And that's always the goal every day. I like to style realistically. There are moments when you are gonna step out, okay, and let people know who you really are. But the idea of having a endless wardrobe is always keeping in the back of your head that classy style. Whether it's dress up or dress down, every piece in your closet can be versatile. So I chose to put on my cardigan, my black cardigan, which has like a flower design on it. I got this years ago, guys. Like, I got it from Macy's years ago, so I can't link it down below, but what I can do is find a similar. So I will link a similar one down below. And then I decided to bring on my chunky boots, my dance skin boots. I don't have a pair of Uggs. I need to get me some Uggs, but most people would put Uggs with it if you have those. But I have my dance skins that look like Uggs. And next, you just take it up a notch by adding some jewelry. You can either do some funky glasses or you can do some earrings of any kind. Whatever your heart's desire, how you want to elevate your specific look. And since my bodysuit is low cut, I did decide to put a necklace with it. And the last step is putting a bag with it. Now, if you're not a purse girl, that is okay. You can just keep the style basic and simple the way you want it and just go all crazy with your jewelry and your accessories and stuff like that, or your shoes. But if you are a purse person, then you can go monochromatic with the look. With my green purse, I was like, ooh, this could be a nice monochromatic look, meaning it's in the same color scheme, same family, but they pair together nicely. Or I can bring back the sweater with the black and the white play from this purse that I was like, maybe I should do this one. So either way, the styles look good, but which one would you choose? And while you're doing this with me, let me see your outfits. So make sure that you tag your @s down below if you decide to post so I can see them. Like, I want to help you style your closet, but I also want to see it. And last but not least, make sure you smell good because you look good. So go ahead and smell good too. I chose my Lancome fragrance that came in PR, and she smells so good. I don't even know the name, but I'll make sure I link it down below. She smells amazing. Make sure that you smell good because you look good. It's honestly the best compliment of them all is when somebody says, ooh, you smell good. And you could be like, I know. Say, I'm just kidding. Say thank you. And there you have it, girl. You have a basic outfit that you elevated in some shape, form, or fashion. Whether you styled it down and kept it cozy cash, or you styled it up and you gave us classy casual, okay? Either way, you elevated the look. And that's literally how simple it is to elevate your look. So that's why it's so key that you have basics and neutrals in your closet for those days where you're just like, I don't know what I really want to wear, but let me see what I can do, you know? Or those days where you're just like, I want to be comfy, cozy, or I kind of want to be basic, but I want to look cute. You know, any of those days, you have options when you have versatile pieces in your closet. So again, I hope that this little tidbit helped you out, and I hope you style a nice, cute outfit. If you decide to post it on your social medias, please leave your ads down below so I can go and see them, because your fashion advisor wants to see what work you have put in, okay? But I love you guys, and stay tuned for more. I will be bringing more tips and tricks on how to elevate yourself as a whole, but we're starting with the wardrobe. But I love you, girl, and make sure that you remain confident when styling and know that you are beautiful, okay? Because the clothes are just an element added to the beauty. It is not your beauty, it's an element added. So remember that, okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you in another video.